All right, guys, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and we're about to put a little twist on this Thanksgiving holiday. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a turkey stuffing meatloaf. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients real quick. Ground turkey back here. We got some stove top turkey mix here, 2 eggs. We got some turkey broth here, butter, some diced carrots, sage and thyme, diced onions, diced celery, salt and pepper, fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons of milk here, and we have some freshly chopped garlic. So that's all you need. Let's get into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna take our stovetop turkey stuffing, put it in an empty dish here. We're gonna take our turkey broth and we're gonna add it here. And we're just gonna let that broth just soak in our stuffing mix for about 10 to 15 minutes. And while this stuffing is soaking, we're gonna head over to our stove and start sauteing our veggies. All right, to get started, we're going to melt our butter. Once that butter melts, we're gonna add our onions, our carrots, and our celery. And we're gonna cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes until those veggies soften. Some people skip this step and they go ahead and just add the veggies raw, uncooked. You could do that too if that's your preference, but I like mine to be softened, so I never skip this particular step here. Let's hit this with a little salt and a little pepper. All right, guys, after that 5 minutes, we're gonna go in with our garlic now, and we're gonna cook this for an additional minute or so. We're gonna also go in with our thyme and sage, and we're gonna get that mixed in. All right, so now that we're a minute in, it's smelling good. We're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna remove our pan from our stove. We're gonna let this cool down to around room temperature before we go in and start preparing our meatloaf, all right? So we're gonna let it sit aside for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so now that our veggies has cooled down, we're going to start building out our meatloaf, and we're gonna add our ground turkey here, our salt and pepper, our eggs, our parsley, a little milk, and our veggies. Now, guys, we're gonna go in with our hands and we're gonna get this baby mixed all up, combined. All right, guys, look at that. We are good right there. So next, all we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this bowl. We're gonna bring over our meatloaf pan. So I've already greased it. We're just gonna start adding our turkey, our ground turkey. And we're just getting that baby evened out like this. All right, so this is what we have. Now, sometimes people like to create the ketchup and Dijon mustard topping to brush across like they normally do meatloaf, but we're not gonna do that to turkey meatloaf. That feels weird. You know what I'm saying? That feels weird to me. I'm not gonna do that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a gravy with ours. Go ahead, make sure that your oven is preheated to 375 degrees. We're gonna stick this baby in here for 50 minutes until that internal temperature is around 165 degrees. So let's go ahead and get it in the oven. All right, so this is what we have after about 50 minutes in the oven. We're gonna let it rest here for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna head over here and start preparing our gravy. All right, so we're gonna start off by melting our butter. Once that butter starts to melt, pour a little of that juice from our turkey. We're gonna add our flour. And we're gonna mix this up and start forming a roux for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it turns that brownish color like this, you wanna go in with your heavy whipping cream and slowly with your turkey broth. And we're gonna let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow that sauce to thicken up. All right, guys, take a look at what we got. Take a look at our gravy. Look how that baby thickened up. Man, that's what we're looking for right there. All right, so now the last thing I'm gonna do, this is optional. I'm gonna hit it with a little salt. Of course, I like that pepper in my gravy. I'm gonna hit it with some of that pepper. Hit it with a little thyme and a little rosemary. And I'm gonna give it another mix. All right, we're gonna turn our heat off. Let's head over to our cutting board where our turkey meatloaf is. Get that baby sliced up, plated up so we can jump into quality control. All right, so we've let our turkey cool for about 15 minutes. We're just gonna slice into that baby and see what it's about. Oh man, take a look at that. Oh man. Let's go ahead and slice another one. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this baby plated up so we can jump into quality control. And guys, there you have it. Turkey stuffed meatloaf. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. Let's go. All right, guys, it's quality control time. Listen, I'm not gonna even front. I did quality control already and I didn't have my mic on, so I had to put it on. But we're gonna bring what I got left of these groceries to the front of the congregation. You know, we're gonna keep it a buck over here, man. I don't mind finishing this on camera. I really don't. Same thing I said when my mic went on. Groceries. Oh man, the turkey is turkeying, the gravy is gravying. Wow, if you don't feel like dealing with that big old turkey, man, this is a great alternative for Thanksgiving or any holiday season. It's delicious, I'm telling you. So guys, add this one to your list, and until then, y'all already know I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, I'm not a chef, I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace. Gobble, gobble.